Why are the first results on Google always ads, and why are companies spending billions on them? In 2025, this simple system is shaping the internet, and today I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. What is PPC and why should you care? The term PPC stands for pay per click. It's a system where businesses don't pay for the ad to simply exist, but only when someone actually clicks on it. That means you are paying for real engagement, not just exposure. Think about it. When you search on Google and see sponsored results at the very top, that's this model in action. When an ad shows up on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and you click on it to learn more, that's also part of it. In short, it's everywhere online, shaping the way companies reach their customers. How does it actually work? Behind the scenes, advertisers are bidding for keywords. Let's say you run a small shoe store. You might choose the keyword "buy running shoes." When someone types that into a search engine, your ad could appear above the regular results. If the person clicks, you pay a small fee. If they scroll past, it costs you nothing. That's what makes the system efficient and flexible. But the real strength lies in targeting. You're not just throwing ads out randomly. You can decide who sees them based on location, age, interests, browsing behavior, and even the time of day. It's precision marketing at scale. Why is it so powerful in 2025? The internet is more crowded than ever. Millions of businesses are fighting for attention, and organic reach is shrinking every year. Social media algorithms make it harder for brands to be seen without paying. Paid campaigns offer a guaranteed way to cut through the noise. Google ads, Facebook ads, or TikTok ads dominate the digital space. Marketers rely on them not just to get clicks, but to generate sales, build awareness, and track results in real time. In a world where data is everything, this model offers detailed analytics. You can measure impressions, click-through rates, conversions, and return on investment almost instantly. That makes it one of the most accountable forms of advertising ever created. What can we learn from it? The biggest lesson is simple. Attention online is no longer free. If you want your business to grow in 2025, you have to treat visibility as an investment. But it's not only about buying clicks, it's about using strategy, targeting, and optimization to turn traffic into real customers. Done right, these campaigns can scale any business, from a local shop to a global brand. Done wrong, they can drain budgets without results. That's why understanding the basics is so important. If you found this explanation helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides to business, marketing, and finance topics. Comment below which subject you want me to cover next. See you in the next one.